In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add loyalty program to Wix website. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control area for your website, where you manage design, settings, and added features. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one Wix website. Starting from the dashboard helps keep the setup process simple and organized. Next, navigate to Apps and then open the App Market. The App Market is where Wix lets you add extra tools and features to your website without needing to build them from scratch. This is where you can find loyalty program apps that are designed to help you reward customers for actions like purchases, signups, or repeat visits. Moving through the app section is straightforward, and the App Market search tool makes it easy to find what you need. Once you are in the App Market, search for a loyalty app, such as Smile.io. When you search, you may see a few different apps that offer rewards or points-based systems. Choose the one that best matches the type of loyalty experience you want to offer on your site. A good loyalty app can help increase customer engagement and encourage repeat business, so this is an important part of the setup. After you find the app you want, click Add to Site. This connects the loyalty app to your Wix website so you can begin customizing it. Depending on the app, Wix may prompt you to review permissions or confirm the installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. This part usually only takes a moment. Once the app is added, configure your point earning and reward settings within the app dashboard. This is where you decide how visitors can earn points and what rewards they can redeem. For example, you may want to offer points for purchases or other customer actions. You can also set up the reward values so the program fits your brand and business goals. Take your time here because these settings shape how your loyalty program works for your customers. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing makes your updates live on your Wix website, so visitors can access the loyalty program. Before you finish, it is a good idea to quickly review the setup to make sure the program appears and functions the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.